Room 26. Here we go. Let's go inside and see what's going on. Okay. Wonderful. Nice and spacious. Yes, nice big bed here. Lovely. And let's look through the window. Excellent. Can you see the sea over there, guys? This is a wonderful view. Look at this. And as you could see over there, that's the beach. We've actually been upgraded, so thank you guys for that. We appreciate it. So that's the beach over there. It's a lovely view. The bathrooms here, okay. This is nice and airy. Okay, you got the sink here. Over here, you got the shower, walk-in shower. Wonderful. We have a radiator, you know, looks quite new to tell the truth. Wonderful. Okay, we got our little knickknacks here. Jen, what we got here?
Instant hot chocolate Cadbury's as well.
Okay,
very good.
wonderful.
Made.
What else?
The sort of biscuits we got. Chocolate cookies.
More cookies again.
And butterscotch crunch. You can have this one.
Okay, no problem, no problem. Okay, here's the bed. I don't know if it's a king size or a queen size. What would you say, Jen?
I think king.
A king size?
Yeah.
Jennifer, are you gonna do the bed test? Okay, how's it feel?
It's quite nice.
Yeah? Do you think you'll get a comfortable night's sleep?
Yes, I do. Yes, I do.
Okay, wonderful. So we've got a cupboard here. Let's check the space. Yep, a lot of space in here, especially if you're staying for a week or so, or well, 2, 3, 4 days. You could pack your stuff out and put in here. You got your ironing board, like a quilt. You got a quilt for if it's really cold. I suppose you can use that. And more. Here we go. Sorry, more drawer space here. Wonderful. Ironing board here, hidden by the side of the wardrobe. It's great. That's it. We've got a lovely buffet breakfast here. All the knickknacks, all the things you should expect for breakfast is all here. Oh, my favorite frosties. Wonderful. Okay, breakfast time. Here we go. I got bacon, sausages, hash brown, fried egg, mushrooms, and over here we have something called Cornish hog pudding. There it is, Cornish hog pudding, and underneath that is black pudding. Oh, wonderful. So what you got there, Jen, for breakfast?
I've got muesli.
Okay.
And yogurt and fruits.
Okay, wonderful.
It's absolutely gorgeous. Sunshine is blazing.
Yeah.
Have something refreshing.
Okay.
Beautiful view.
It is.